Hello everyone, today I will introduce to you the high-speed ink printing slotting and die cutting machine, one-click order adjustment, and easily control the future of printing. A revolutionary breakthrough in the printing industry is coming. Imagine that with just one simple operation, the high-speed ink printing slotting and die cutting machine can complete the perfect transformation from design to finished product for you. One-click order adjustment. Say goodbye to tedious tasks. No longer worry about adjusting printing parameters and die cutting specifications. Ink printing, brilliant colors, bright, clear patterns and text make your works more intense and visually impactful, instantly attracting attention. Slotted and die cut for precision. The high degree of processing accuracy and stability ensures that every finished product is flawless, so that your quality is always excellent. Embrace the innovation in the printing field and choose a high-speed ink printing slotting and die cutting machine to let your creativity fly and your production efficiency to extend infinitely. Contact us now to learn more about the exciting details of one-click ordering, high-speed ink printing and slotting die cutting. The future of printing not to be missed starts here. Contact number 151327599595